Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you this custom MOC building I have right here. It easily spins around. It's a mega-sized World Trade Center made with Legos. The main two buildings are like directly made off of the real one, but everything else is custom. Except for that little dot, which represents the little sphere in the middle. If you actually know what I mean, please correct me if I'm wrong, just so you know. But first, let's start off with this rainbow building. It has, it's standing on stilts, and there's a little parking garage underneath. Then we're gonna get to this colorful building, which is supposed to be a hotel. Looks really, really nice. And now let's move on to this building, which is basically another an office building, because there were lots of office buildings next to the World Trade Center, and yet, yes, this comes off the plate. Then there's this black and white skyscraper thing, which isn't actually on a plate at all. And it just sits on here. And we can come to this building, which is easier to see about around here, because it just shows the back side when you look over here. So let's just turn it. And it's just a basic building with some cheese slopes, and just some regular bricks. So also, not to mention, I'm not gonna forget to mention at least, the floor design. It's like a rainbow, because this is a custom MOC. This isn't directly copy and paste. So it looks a little different. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!